I guess I'm still processing what just happened.
This is Edgar. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically want to show you that you can talk to anyone. So what I do is I meet my subscribers, I hang out with them for a day, talk to people, and film it to show you that anyone can do it.
Hey, how you guys doing? Are you from Denver?
I have a boyfriend. I'm sorry.
Oh, I guess I'm a bit demoralized.
Well, you know, he's so cute. Well, nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Edgar.
nice to meet you.
So I'm in Denver with Edgar.
I'm 32 years old. I'm a software engineer. You know, I want new people in my life. I want people with similar interests, and it's kind of hard meeting people online. How can I express, you know, what I want in my life without, you know, feeling shy, not putting up a mask? I guess it's more being authentic and genuine, being coming to terms with that. Before I moved here, I had enough of a social circle to where it wasn't. I didn't need to do this right away, but here I'm feeling the pressure of like, God, I'm alone. I'm kind of okay with that, but it will be nice to get some interactions, particularly with women. I guess I just beat around the bush too much.
Okay.
So I really want to be able to, you know, be upfront.
Do you have any last thoughts before we start?
I don't know. I'm just gonna dive right in. Excuse me. I just saw you and I just had to come over and say hi.
Hello.
My name's Edgar.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Yeah.
Are you from Denver?
No.
No? It's funny, I saw you playing with your dog and I just moved here like 3 months ago.
Okay.
And I was talking to a friend saying like, everybody here has a dog.
Yeah.
Except me.
Yeah. Oops, Noodle, come. Yeah, a lot of people have dogs here. Well, welcome.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
Take
have
care.
a good day.
Right after those first words came out of my mouth, I guess I just went into like auto mode. I mean, because for the moment, like everything, I'm not even thinking. I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I guess because as you say, sometimes I'm not relaxed. That's why I get the crutch. Oh, the dog. Like whatever. I need to hold on to something. Hey. I just want to say, I think you're beautiful. I think we should meet. Okay, no problem. I feel great actually. Like I think burning a few bridges is making me feel better.
Oh, you mean to just try, to just throw the ball? Okay. There's no joy in there. Like there's nothing. It's just you're just giving her you're like a computer, like spitting like a data entry in the database. Like try to give the compliment more genuine, you know.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Good, thank
I think you're cute.
Thank you.
You had literally like zero conviction.
Yeah,
Like you didn't believe what you were doing at all. You know, like
that's true.
the way you said hi, the way you said you're cute, like there were no. It was like a very bad actor.
Yeah, I guess I'm a bit demoralized. Excuse me, I think you're cute. I want to say hi.
Oh, hi. How are
My name's
you?
Edgar. How are you?
Oh, I'm good.
Are you? What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just with my dog, or my sister's dog.
That's your sister's?
Yeah, but she doesn't really take care of her that well.
Really? So you
yeah.
thought you will save the dog?
Yeah, or I don't know. I live with my sister, and so I just take her out to the park. I live with my sister. I'm renting a room from her down here, and I'm thinking I could just steal her when I get my own place. You know, just take her.
Like actually keep her?
Like she's lost, and just steal her. You know, she's so cute.
What do you do for fun when you're not stealing dogs?
Active. Yeah, I'm pretty active. Maple. I'm pretty active. Like I'm not a good thrower, but
Well, baseball is not your career.
yeah, right.
You know, I need to get going, but do you want to meet later?
Not late. I have to go to work, but do you have Facebook or something?
Do you have Instagram?
No.
I mean, you can just text me if you want to.
Okay.
Is that all right?
Yeah, I'll get your number. I can't later.
No, that's okay.
Okay, cool.
Well, take care.
That's really good. You just went from being depressed and demoralized.
Yeah, it's funny because I didn't think I delivered that well in the beginning, but she was just so into it. I feel good.
Is it the first time that you exchange numbers like that with a random girl?
I've done it before. It's rare.
Okay. When's the last time you did it?
Can't remember, but
Okay, so if you can remember, it's pretty far.
But I guess I'm still processing what just happened.
Man, you scared me when you said you were demoralized. Honestly, I was like, fuck,
really?
You know, how am I need to like.
But like you
keep
thought.
Him optimistic. It's good. Let's keep going.
Yeah, I just thought you were cute. I want to say hi.
Oh, hi. Thanks.
Nice to meet you.
I think that she was actually very receptive there, but I felt that because you were not grounded enough in the moment, she just got like, you know, you're still like some lack of conviction. You know? But it's definitely some progression compared to earlier.
Yeah, definitely. Right now, I'm not feeling like particularly good about how most of the interactions are going. I'm feeling the pressure
of the moment
of having to do it.
I see. I mean, yeah, that's one thing. I mean, that's inherent to the.
That's the nature of this.
What we're doing. So that's true that there is this layer sometimes, but you also don't like, you know, don't dwell on that, you know, because sometimes I think people can get trapped in their thoughts. You know, there's a saying that I like. It says, with a little bit of soap, you can do a lot of foam. You know, so like, okay, you have those thoughts, but like, don't dwell on it. You know, before talking to that girl with the dog, you were like, oh, I don't know, no. You know, you're just trapped in your mind. You know?
Yeah, it's my.
But then once you actually like talk to her, then you enjoyed it. You know, try to connect with a genuine impulse, like, oh, you know, she's cute, I want to talk to her. Like, if it feels like a homework, like, it's not gonna be great for sure.
Yeah.
But okay, so let's.
Structure change.
I'm gonna get another tea.
How many do you drink a day?
And I drink so many teas.
Really? Like, it's not a today thing. It's like
it's every day.
I don't know. I just had to say hi. What are you doing?
Meeting somebody.
Okay.
But nice to meet you.
Take care.
I feel that like this and the one in front of the train station, like I felt that those interactions could have gone way better, but I felt like because you didn't really believe what you were doing and because you were not grounded, you know, they ended like too quickly, you know?
Yeah. Excuse me, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Huh?
Can you hear me?
No, I can't.
Oh, sorry. I saw you over. I think you're cute. I just had to say hi. How are you?
Oh, thank you.
What are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Just hanging out here. I'm from Westminster. How about you?
I live down the street. I just moved to the area.
So you're just walking back home?
Yeah.
Like, you seem like you're into fitness.
I am, yeah. Are you a developer?
I'm a software engineer, yeah. Do a lot of like federal contracts. I just got hired because I have a military background.
Okay.
Well, it was nice to meet you. Do you think we can hang out sometime?
I have a boyfriend. I'm sorry.
Well, that's fine.
I really appreciate it. That was nice
No,
to meet
really,
you.
yeah. Take care.
Take care.
It's so much better, no?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it was. This one time I was like, I'm gonna be hyper aware of everything you told me. So I walked to the side. Can you hear me? Waited for her to actually hear me. I
feel like you're saying like I gave you like a step by step. I'm like against that, but yeah.
No, because that's what you've been telling me all
like a
day.
floater,
Yeah,
yeah.
so for the viewers, that's what you've been telling me all day. Because I've been, you know, same roadblocks. But I was surprised, like coming off from the side, making sure she was hearing well first, how well she reacted. Excuse me, I just had to say you look so fancy. I just had to, I had to tell you. Oh my God, I didn't know that was gonna be so friendly.
He's so friendly.
Yeah, what's your name? May I ask?
His name, my name?
Both.
If you're curious about how I film shit, I'm like so hidden right now.
I just wanted to talk to you. I don't know if you wanna meet sometime.
I'm actually with someone, but thank you.
Yeah, no,
Yeah, I mean, I'm down to be friends if you want.
You know, that sounds nice. I just moved.
Oh yeah, me too.
I don't know
Actually just moved
anybody.
here. Yeah.
Yeah, really?
Yeah. Do you phone number, Instagram, whatever?
Then
Where did you move from?
Puerto Rico.
Oh, cool. I haven't been there yet, but it's on my list.
Where are you from?
I'm from Hawaii, different island.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, but same vibe. Yeah, that's my phone number. Oh, sorry guys. Thank you.
I'm Edgar.
Okay, Edgar, I'll just add.
I don't know how to handle the
Oh,
iPhone.
where do you live in the area?
I actually live in Westminster, but on a good day, it's just 3 minutes. And if we're gonna go skiing, you're gonna go my way,
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
I still don't even know all the neighborhoods in Denver, let alone outside.
I'm slowly Yeah, it takes a while.
Well, nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Edgar.
nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Take
Have
care.
a great rest of your weekend.
You too. Yeah, that was, I think, the most normal conversation I've had, because she just took it for what it was, and it just flew.
How do you feel about it?
I feel very good about it.
You just had two boom boom.
Yeah.
You know, that's why I'm saying, like, when you're too much in your head, like, the answer is not in your head. The answer is in reality. So just go talk to people, and that's going to snap you out of your head. Otherwise, you know, you're like, oh, you know, like, otherwise you're just overthinking the situation too much, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, that was cool.
Yeah, thank you.
Cool.
Thank you for pushing me to get there.
I love it when, like, at the end there is like a few like good ones. Like I love it.
Yeah, they paid off.
So Edgar, how was today?
Today was challenging, but it had to be done. It just takes a lot of trying until, you know, it starts to click how to, you know, interact in a natural manner, in a genuine way, and not be, like, as you said, stuck in my mind so much, and be more into with whoever I'm trying to interact with. Yeah, you're basically breaking those patterns that you've been living with all your life.
For decades. So it's normal that it doesn't all come up in one afternoon.
Yeah, definitely. I'm curious of what I look like on the camera.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Make fun of him in the comments.
I mean, when I'm talking about this, it may seem like I'm just like an awkward person with everybody, but that's the thing. Why do I treat it, when it's a pretty woman, why do I have to turn awkward when that's not the case at all with anybody else? Like, that's not how I look at myself when I think of me. I don't think of myself as an awkward person, but today it was facing reality. I should not take it too seriously. I should be able to be comfortable expressing that. I guess I came out so awkward many times just because I felt what I had to say was awkward, and just came out that way. Yeah.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching?
If you feel like you need this, just do it. There's a period of pain, and you gotta do what you gotta do. It's part of life, and it gets better with time. Yeah.
Okay. Any other thing you want to share? You want to talk about?
Well, thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you. Yeah.
Have a great day.
I don't know what else to say.
That's it?
Yeah.
Any last words?
Do it.